Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discussing with you overview of joins, how we are going to framing joins and how we are moving like a in a simple example. I would like to show you with the pictorial representation of two tables and mixing with the two tables data rows and making it as in a single output. What is the exact the output parameters what we request, and these the parameters are having with a multiple different type of tables that columns will having as an output report. I want to show is in a single output how it can possible. Yes, let's see here. Now see a very simple statement like a one table is having course table. This is the course table, the master data, which is having course ID, course name. These two columns. Very simple example I'm taking for you to understand in a better way. Now, the course ID is 1001, 1002, and 1003 is representing three records with a unique identity with a course name of Python, ASP.NET, PostgreSQL. These are the three courses are available in this particular table, and one part is completed successfully. And comes to the another table, the table is having, it may be the enrollment table or a registration table. All right, this table is having three columns. That is, one is user ID and user underscore name, the column name 2, and the third column it is course underscore ID. All you observe the differences between these two tables. Okay, the first table is accurately is having course details with the ID, and this is the table is having users information with enrolled details. The user ID is one Perry, second ID is John, third ID is Alice, and fourth ID is Mary. So these are the four students are enrolled with the course that ID is implying here, which is the border of this ID is showing here now. In this right side table is also having this ID. See here the impact of like for an instance of a simple example, this registration table of this table, right side table, is having Perry is enrolled with the course of Python. The ID it is indicating here 1001. This ID, once the enrollment registration form is having like these courses, once the course is selected Perry as the enrolling of Python, he will select the Python, and the inserted the course ID it is in a 1001 here. Okay, and the second one, the row of John is also enrolled course of Python only. The same code like 1001 only it is replying like impacting here in the course ID. Have you seen here very clearly? Similar way, Alice is enrolled for ASP.NET and the course ID is replying for 1002, and PostgreSQL is 1003. It is enrolled for the user of Mary. This is the way course enrollment table is here. All right, and my the problem statement you have a here about at the beginning. My problem statement it's a requirement is my output is the registration of the user's data as in a required. Who is the person is registered with the ID, the name of the person, what is the course he is enrolled for the this particular duration or session, whatever it may be. Now come to the picture. What by applying the join, how we can get it very easily. See here in the third box we have seen here in the table of the report, the user ID, username, the name of the columns, and a course name. See, the user ID is from this table, right side table, and the username from this table, right side table only, and the course name from left table we have a getting here. The left side there is a table here now. From this table we are getting from the username. Very simple how it is. For applying of the joins, which table we are going to making in a join operation, these both tables to be at least match one data row. Like that column, it should be match one data item. In these two tables are matching. Course ID is available here, and the course ID is also right side. It's the enrolling. There is a course ID. It's coming here. So we can make by making a join. It may be whatever at the join. We are making with this course ID to this course tables ID. If we put as a making of these two tables is a join, like an inner join operation we are using, and preparing as an output, we have a get the table name of the table, like a course name, we'll get it here, and specifying the report as we requested, like a user ID, username, and course name we can display as an output result set very simply. How the joins and how the operations will operate, we'll see in upcoming sessions. What are the joins are available, what are the purpose we are going to using the independent joins like inner join, self join, full outer join, right join, left join. These all the joins one by one we'll discuss very more detailed information over all the things. Okay, I hope you better understand the purpose of join, why we require to use. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.